Hey my peeps, welcome back to another tutorial. It's another Valentine's tutorial, but I think this is going to be my last one because I think I covered everything, you know. But I thought this would be fun. It's a little different, but we're going to go for it. You know, because not everybody cares for Valentine's, because for them, Valentine stinks, right? So love stinks. So we gonna make us some love stinks cupcakes. So what you're gonna need, I picked up these cupcake liners from Dollar Tree. I got the red and gold and the pink and gold, right? So let me take out one and one. And also got some of these ornament heart. They like just wood pieces in red, pink, and a natural color that you could paint any color you want. And what I thought of these cupcakes, to make these cupcakes, is because I was looking through my cupcake liners, which I have too many of, and I found these. They say love stinks on it. They from Wilton, but they don't sell these anymore. Because I bought these like, I don't know, 4 years ago, something like that. I mean, you could find them if you go like on eBay or something like that, but they not sold in stores anymore, okay? So I didn't want to use these because I wanted them to be, I wanted you guys to have Dollar Tree, be able to use Dollar Tree products to make it. So that is what we're gonna do today. So I got a special ingredient for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what it is right now. It's a pool noodle. Yes, you're gonna cut your pool noodle into like about 1-inch pieces, right? Just cut it. You can cut it with a knife. I cut it with this Dollar Tree knife that I have in my collection. Just cut it down. You're gonna take it, you're gonna hot glue it into your container, and look, it's a filling. You can make it taller if you want, so it can reach up closer to the rim, whatever. I have two already made right here. They're already filled, you see? And we're gonna use this. Isn't that a great idea for you to use? Instead of like using plaster of Paris, or if you don't want to use that, or spray foam or whatever. And you could even leave it up tall enough so that you can, it looks like it has pink cake or whatever color styrofoam you want. You could paint that if you want. Listen, it's endless the things you could do to fill up a cupcake, okay? So I took my wood pieces and I wrote love stinks on it, so that's what we're gonna put on there. I got I took a skewer and I just cut it up in a couple pieces because we're gonna use that to stick it into our cupcake. We're gonna glue that to the back. In fact, let's glue it now so it could be ready for us. Let's take you some glue. Take your little skewer and just stick it on. You see that? If you want to paint the stick, you can, but I'm not gonna do that right now. This is like I always say, it's just an idea. You go for it. Okay? Do whatever, however you want. Whatever works best for you. Alright, so there you go. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take two of these little takeout container thingies, and I'm gonna put it on top because I need height. I want it to like build up. So we're gonna just use that. Listen, everywhere I go, I get inspiration. I see these little cupcakes. these little takeout containers. I'm like, yo, I could use that for something. I know I can. I know I can. And here we are. Even though I've used them before, but what I'm trying to say is that anything could be, I mean, you can use it for whatever. What happened to the other thing? Whatever you want. So I made some chocolate spackle. Don't this look good? I mean, some chocolate spackle, but what it is you're just gonna get any dark brown acrylic paint, like burnt umber, chocolate sprinkle. What's the other dark color? Any really dark brown colored acrylic paint will get you this color. Okay, so you just mix it up. Try to make sure that your spackle is a little thick, because you're going to build up. Not too thick that you can't squeeze it out. And not too thin that if you put it on top of itself, it's going to fall flat. So you got to get the right consistency. So here I go. Oh, I don't know if I even told you what we're doing. We're making poop. Poop cupcakes. Okay. See that? Poop. Because love stinks for some people. I don't feel that way, but you know, some people do. So then you go around again. Try to get to that edge. Make sure you don't see any of the cupcake. I mean, if you want to see it, that's up to you. Boom. Another one. Right? So I'm going to take it, and you know, even though it's poop, it could still be cute, right? I'm going to put some diamond dust on it. Because why not? It's a fake bake. That's the fun part. You can do whatever you want with it. So we got sparkly poop now. Okay? Don't shake it around too much, because you don't want it to fall flat. Right? And let me get a wet wipe real quick. I got some of that poop on me. Haha. Oh. I got some of that chocolate stuff on me. So I got these small little hearts here. I'm gonna put some eyes on this. I'm gonna attempt to put heart eyes on it. All right, let me move that one out the way. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. 1, 2 eyes, right? And then I made a circle out of Model Magic, and I cut it in half for the lips. Boom. I'm gonna put the red heart in here. I might have to cut this down a little bit. I'm gonna stick it in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that a little bit more. It's because of that piece that's love stinks, baby. Okay, that's the one. And then this one over here, hold on, let me wipe up, because I don't want this messing up my stuff. This one over here, what we're gonna do with this one, we're gonna put the googly eyes on this one, right? Maybe we should have put googly eyes on that one too. I don't know, I just wanted to do a little something different. All right, so let's get the googly eyes. And what size though? Because we don't want them too big. And we don't want them too small. I don't know. Alright, I think these are too small. So let's go with that size. Right? And then I gotta cut my lips, my mouth over here. I gotta cut my mouth so it could look like a real poop emoji. Alright, so I'm gonna put the eyes on. Let's see how this goes. So these might come off because you know the spackle is kind of already a bit dry. So you can always come back later and hot glue it on. Right? And here go my yeah. Look, for real, that's cute though. And then we're gonna take our love stink sign in pink. Should I stick it this way? That daggone cup is in the way. I really don't want to mess it up. Hold on. There you go. It's cute. And you know what? If you want to get gross, if you really want to get gross, I don't know if I like this one. What do you think about this one with the hard eyes? It's alright. Now, if you really want to get gross with it, we should make another one for real. But I don't have another, I told you I did this kind of short notice. If you want to be gross, I got a piece of corn right here. Look. Let's put a piece of corn in the poop. Yeah. Anyway, guys. This is what I got for y'all. Go out and make yourself. This is all Dollar Tree stuff. You know what? Because for some people, love does stink. It doesn't for me. And I'm good. But listen here. I think these came out so cute. There you go. One more time. One more time. Take one more look. One more look. Right? Let's make sure these eyes don't come off. Alright, guys. I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all go on and make y'all some poop cupcakes for that grouchy, mean person in your life. Or the person who hates Thanksgiving. For the person who hates Valentine's Day, this would be good for them. Alright, this was quick, easy. Once again, don't forget to use your pool noodle. I have not seen anybody else use this. So, this is another cost saver. If you don't want to use spray foam, plaster, or if you don't want to buy any cake dummies, here you go. Use this. It's lightweight, it's cheap. The pool noodle is long, so you can get lots out of it. Alright. Anyway, guys. Until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and craft on, my peeps. Talk to y'all later. God bless.